Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by locating every Python install. This saves time and prevents accidental removals. Run which Python and which Python 3 to see active symlinks, and check Homebrew and PyEnv lists. Also inspect /library/framework/Python. Framework and /usr/local or /opt/homebrew bin directories. Once done, export pip freeze and back up any virtualims you need. Make sure to copy shell profile edits from /zshrc or /bash profile. This approach shows you where to act and why each path matters before deleting anything. You now remove the middle layer installs carefully. First, uninstall Homebrew managed Python versions and run brew cleanup to drop leftover files. Next, delete framework bundles in /library/frameworks with sudo only when you confirmed the path. This removes Python. Org installers. Then remove symlinks in /usr/local/bin or /opt/homebrew/bin so the shell no longer finds old binaries. If you used PyEnv, run PyEnv uninstall for each version and delete /. PyEnv. Finally, purge pip caches and site packages from user directories so no stray. You finish by cleaning config and verifying the result. Remove any path edits or aliases that referenced removed Python installs, then source your shell or open a new terminal. Check with which Python and Python 3 version. You should either see the system Python or a not found response. If something goes wrong, like breaking the system Python, restore from Time Machine or reinstall the minimal Mac OS Python rather than fiddling in /usr/bin. Make sure permissions are correct and run brew doctor if Homebrew behaves oddly.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.